Opposed to what? Renege on all my campaign promises?
It's an unforeseen delay. In construction, you have to allow for these things.
Explaining away a union strike is easier said than done, Veliano. Not to mention the fact that it just smells like money going down the drain.
I don't think I'm familiar with that particular rollout.
Do I look like I'm in a joking mood? Your loyal workers are down there shouting about standards of safety, and that's rallying up the unpaid contract folk. This keeps up, I can kiss the labor vote goodbye in addition to everything else.
Jason, in exchange for their support, Reverend and I promised a few of Vegas's more prominent businessmen a hefty stake in that convention center that you decided to demolish.
This little shit right here, he's the one that caused this mess.
All right, not so fast. Benny and Jason will go down to the site and knock some sense into the workers. As for the union boss, let's make sure he's off my payroll for good.
Boy, I oughta.
Why don't we go refresh your drink? The boys will call you when it's done.
President's daughter goes missing. They'll have to rise to the challenge.
Tick-tock goes the clock, detective.
They break all the rules.
I didn't see nothing. I was in the store when...
Look into my eye and tell me the truth.
They'll face danger head on.
We got a joke. Who you calling little?
I don't care what Frank says. This strike is your mess.
Oh, not this.
hour. You're gonna pay for this!
Frank wanted me to tell you something. Frank can kiss my ass. You're all going to hell, you hear that?
Might get back to work if you know what's good for you.
You got the rev.
It's done.
Hello.